What is going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the stream. We are in this key area, this key level. Shoot, pre-market, they actually pumped up almost 780. Let's see what they do here. We gotta see what they do. I should have traded pre-market. I'm so upset that I didn't. But it is what it is. We are about 10 seconds away from open. Let's see what happens. All right. Y'all gonna dump it? Y'all gonna take some profit or what? Okay. That's already 10 points right there. Or is this gonna just trend up? Did we make it past the supply zone? Or are they gonna dump it again? That is the question. That is the question. So I would feel comfortable. Man, I'd feel comfortable with maybe a one lot short up here. Maybe we'll add one there. Let's see. But this is kind of risky. It's still kind of bullish looking. All right. That's 20 points on 15 minute. I'm Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, people would want to try to take profit. Maybe now, like, it's obviously it's the open. It's kind of hard to tell. I put on a one lot. I didn't catch it early enough but I'm in at 50. I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, it is bullish, carrying over from London and into the open. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Like, keeping it light for now, keeping it light so they can like validate my position. We get if we break 50. We break 50. Oh, I need to change that real quick. Well, we just kind of just broke. Well, we didn't close it, but we 28 points. Is that too much? Is that the sell-off right there, or do we got more? See, that's the question, man. You gotta. I didn't want to go heavy because, like you said, it is bullish momentum. Then we just pushed it all the way back up. Let's see. Oh shoot, my bad, y'all. My bad. They couldn't hear you. So if you want to say what you said again, my bad. My bad. Go ahead. Say
Okay.
my bad.
Okay. 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 So, I mean, I don't. My energy's not in it no more. I already
Oh,
said it.
come on. Don't be like that. You still, we got
Okay.
this.
So, what I said was for those that caught the recap last night, we talked about this exact scenario happening. Exact scenario.
Hmm.
The Bears failed to defend that 700, 720 area. The Bulls broke out of it, used it as support. We're testing this high. I feel that price is going to probably pull back to at least 704, 695. That's where Bulls is going to find the support. And then we're going to test all time high because there's really nowhere else for price to go. And if we do test all time highs and the Bulls takes it there and breaks it, which honestly, I really do think that this is going to happen. I'm thinking 815, 824 in that area where the Bears might come back in and take profit, or where the Bulls might take profits and the Bulls take profits, the Bears come in. There's no price action above 793. So that's a no man's land. We have to wait and see what people do and then work around that. But
Yeah.
it's looking like it's finding support right here. But shit, that's too high to buy, baby. That's too high. I'm not buying it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'm trying to see how, if what they trying to do right now, for real, for real. Like, what is the play? Are we dumping supply? 4 hourly. Oh my gosh, 4 hour is freaking. We finally gonna get that well, we got 20 minutes, 23 minutes. 4 hour, we finally get a bar closed up above 740, 45 ish. The hourly is bullish as heck too. Still, I'm going off the 15-minute right now. Really, it's just the 15. Oh yeah, they look like they about to flip it back up.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I would just protect the position. At least if you're gonna hold it, put your stops at break even +1, so you can at least pay the commissions,
Well,
pay the broker.
good thing it's only a one lot, baby. Ooh, ES though, they want 5,000 on ES. They want 5,000. They want 5,000
It's
on
over
ES.
5,000. It's over 5,000.
Yeah, yeah. I may have to just get out here and rethink this.
Yeah, too bullish, dude.
Cause I thought, cause this is what, the third time in this area. Third time testing this supply zone right here. Yeah, I may just cut this. Yeah, there's too bullish right now. They too ambitious right now for my ambition.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta wait for that exhaustion pattern, man. Like, I mean, we'll see what happens if once they retest this high at 780. You gotta wait for that exhaustion, and then once they exhaust, like, I mean, I really don't care what price does. I already got my entry. I'm like I said, I'm looking at that 697, 700 area, 705 area for an entry. That 10-point range down there. I mean, price could get down to 675, but I highly doubt it. I doubt that will happen.
Well,
I doubt that.
I cut the position, but I should have waited until it invalidated. But yeah, let me see. Let me see what's gonna happen. I don't think they want to really dump this supply like they have in the past couple days. I don't think they want to dump it. I think this might just be a little pullback and then to go back up, because everything is so bullish right now. And like I said, I took that off the 15-minute, and I was a little late on taking that. I was a little late. 20. I should have waited to the 23% right here to get out, but hindsight.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, you should have just. Well, I mean, it's your position. You can do what you want. But that break even +1, I mean, just to stay in your position, but at the same time, not lose if you're wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I came back after stream. Me and It was like a little competition. It was a competition. I was like, all right, I finished the day with what is it, like 3,300. He's like, what's your P&L again? I was like, nah, bro. Don't try to compete. Just be done. So we had a little friendly competition. He came back and got like 4K. I came back and got like, what'd you finish off with?
I got like 4,700, 46, 47.
Moxie said, I noticed the increase in the balance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I came back. I finished with like 4,400. Yeah, 4,400. Nah, it was a quick play on. I don't even remember. I think it was at 7. It was flirting around with 700 and it bounced. It popped up to like 715. So I got in. I think I got in at like 690, 98, 97, 98, and I rode it up to like maybe 710 or something like that. I don't know. It was quick though. It was quick. I didn't want to like. It was just a quick scout, but it was heavy size, but it was a quick scout. And I was just like, yeah, I'm not trying to play around with this. Well, I guess I kind of should have held this a little bit longer, but I think this is just this ain't a supply dump. This don't feel like a supply, like a super supply, like a real supply dump. This just feels like a pullback, a retracement.
Yeah, honestly, this actually might be a good opportunity for a short, long, not like a long, but probably a long to retest the highs. A long to retest the highs right here in this area. But let's see what it does. I want to see price trap bears underneath this candle at 19. Yeah, I want to see them get trapped, and I'll get in that VWAP. Because VWAP is at 510. Yeah, it's getting close to where I want to enter at.
Man, the NQ has just this way of making you think and feel like you might be wrong. Am I right or am I wrong? I mean, that would have been a decent little short to the 38% fib here. Like it touched right on point. I mean, people are probably expecting it to get to VWAP, and that's where they want to, at least retail. That's what we all. Oh, VWAP's right there. Let me set my limit to go long at VWAP. But just $100 play on that one. For me, I should have, like I said, I should have got in. I should have just trusted the supply zone and just got in at the absolute top there. But I didn't know if it was gonna try to go for all-time highs. Was that what, like 93?
Yeah, that's 93.
Yeah. Said little late on the thing on my entry, but yeah.
Yeah, there's no reason why. Did I move this wrong? Did I put this in the wrong place? Okay, it wasn't right there. Yeah, I'm looking for the bulls or the bears to get trapped underneath this candle, which I think is about to happen right now. This is going to probably get sold off. I want to see them get trapped underneath that candle. Price get bought right back up, and then that's when I'm going for that long, baby.
Yeah, like I said, I should have sold up here in the 70s. That would have gave me an extra cushion. I could have added and then caught this move down at least to right here. But like I said, it was a lot of bullishness coming off of London and into New York cash. So I was like, and then I waited till I got my short was at 758. So not the best position. I actually gave up like a good 15 plus points I should have got in up here and just trusted the supply zone that they'll just at least retrace it. Not a crazy, like I said, this is not a full dump of supply like we saw a couple days ago. Yesterday was a dump of supply. When it dropped 83 points in an hour, yeah. Plus more, yeah. That's a supply dump. This feels like a little pullback to me.
This is definitely a pullback. Dude, this is not a dump. The price action suggests that this is not a dump. This is what is it called? A profit-taking pullback.
Yeah, and look at the.
Because you can, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, look at the heat at 720.
Yeah, 720 is a good place to get long, man. 720 is a great place to get long. As far as retest to that high. If I see him get trapped underneath that candle, I'll try at 720. I'll go on one contract. I mean, if I have to eat a little bit of drawdown to get my real entry, then yeah. But if I see it, I'm taking it. And then VWAP is right there at 710, so I don't think I'll eat too much drawdown. It'll at least get bought up at VWAP at least.
You know what? I'm setting a limit at VWAP, one lot. Oops. It's the wrong tool. What are you doing?
Okay, there it goes. Yep.
Set a limit.
Let me see. Let me see where that. Yep, where that candle. Yep, that's a trap, baby.
38%. Set a one lot. Yeah, you took that long at 27. I don't know, man. I mean, you could play out for a couple points, but I would wait. I would wait a little bit because I think it'll get to. It could get to VWAP here. I mean, looking at this, I mean, it's trending down on this small time frame right now, or this tick frame. But let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And this can probably get to. I mean, I didn't take it. I got in. I didn't like how it moved.
Yeah.
But obviously, it worked. That was like a good 10 points. 10 points right there. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to V. I'm gonna wait until my entry. But this does look like a good place to get long right here. It looks like it's building up. The bulls are coming in. This is probably where I should have gotten in. But it's gonna probably get rejected at 752. Looks like I should have got in this one, man. Looks like I should have got in it.
Oh yeah. Look at the 5. The 5 minute usually gives me like a signal. Yeah, you might. Yeah, I think you good, man. 27. Yeah, you're straight.
Yeah, 20. That's a 20-point move right here.
Yeah,
20 points.
You're straight.
20 points on the damn table. I should have took it. Could have took it, but I was waiting. I think it gets rejected here though.
Oh shoot! That was like 40. Sounds like 40 plus points. Maybe almost 50 on the T. So the 5 minute looks like it's setting up that building block to go back up. 15 minute.
Actually, let me look at the spot. The SPY. Let me look at the SPY flow. It's been a while since I even looked at that damn thing. Where's it at? There it is. There we go, baby. There's SPY. SPY positive like a mother right now. Oh, it is.
You straight, my guy. You are straight.
Yeah, dude. SPY is going to 500, dude. It's only $5 away. Man,
SPY. SPY.
SPY's going to 500, dude.
We finally get our 500. SPY.
SPY's going to 500. Watch list only a 5. Huh, that's interesting. Oh, nope. Yep. They selling puts. They're selling puts. They have sold puts. You got long positions, so that already tells you the market is bullish right now. We might get a pullback, but it'll only be a pullback and not a reversal. They're selling puts and they're buying calls. They're sweeping calls.
Yeah. So what the?
Yeah. So.
that's a double
They're
bottom.
selling puts and buying calls. Let me make that clear.
Boom.
Selling puts, buying calls.
Dang, bro. Am I missing the boat right now?
Damn, I'm
I'm missing the
damn.
boat right now. Do I dare?
Damn, I should have took that. That was 30 points.
Do I dare get in this high though?
Nah.
F it. They might take it up to the
Nah.
80s. They might at least test the high. At least you can get to the high.
Nah, they're gonna. Let's see what it does here, man. Let's see what it does here. I should have took, man. I saw that trap. I should have just took it, man. I should have just took that damn trap, man. God damn. All right, whatever. We'll just find the next trade, baby. We'll find the next one.
You said you saw the trap.
You said what?
You said you saw the trap, man. They could at least test the. At least if they're gonna struggle, they could at least test the high and double top it, and then retest. You know what I mean? And I don't want to trail it just yet.
Are you already in this long?
Yeah, I'm in the long. 800 would be nice, Alfred. 800 would be nice. Andrew got his take profit at 86. I feel you on that. That's a good long from 27 to get up to 86.
Yeah, like we might see some resistance right here. We might actually see the bears coming in. We may see it, and then if it pulls back, I think the bulls are going to find support at 41.
Yeah. Well,
if we do get a pullback,
I got my next limit in at 46. So yeah. Yeah, but I could see that 41, 41, because 40, 41. That's that where it pulled back to.
The beautiful thing about having daughters, you tell them something one time, and like, oh yeah, I won't do it again, Daddy, and then they turn around and do it in the same minute.
That is
right
true.
Back around and do it.
That's very true. The hourly, baby. Got 8 minutes for that hourly close up there. Yeah, 4 hour. Trying to get it today. Trying to get that solid candle close over 740. Barely, but still. Let's see.
Yeah, price might. Okay, so now that the market has all the bulls all riled up, I wonder if they're going to try to do something slick. Because I mean, we got to remember, we do have Fed speakers. We already had Mester already back Powell yesterday, talking about they'll feel more confident doing rate cuts later in the year.
Yeah, that's true.
And when I hear later in the year, I'm thinking December time frame. Like my mind automatically went to December. So, as an investor, I mean, we'll see. We will see what these other Fed speakers say today, and but the market is bullish right now. Boy, she'll make you wait, man. You missed that boat, she'll make you wait.
She will. That she will.
So let's see. Let's see if she get if you'll get that dump we was talking about right here. I gotta write that in my journal.
Order rejected.
I definitely gotta write that in my journal, dude. I saw that trap and I was waiting for a better entry, even though I saw the trap. I saw the trap and didn't pick it. Clean 30 points right there.
Didn't I tell you? I look like that won't last.
Okay. So on boot map on the right hand side, I didn't know that. I didn't know. Okay, so on the right hand side, it seems that the bears are pushing the market down.
Hmm.
Okay, so we got that dump.
Dang, y'all really gonna try to not close above 40 on the 4 hourly? You only got 5 minutes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. All right. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for my entry. I'm waiting for my entry. Yeah, I didn't see a bullish reaction at 41. So no. Yeah, I didn't see that reaction I wanted. I didn't see bears trapped.
Oh, they gonna try to take it to VWAP, aren't they?
Yeah, they probably will. Because they just took out supply right here. They took out. If you look, well, I forgot you don't really look at the tick charts like that. Yeah, they took out that supply area at at 70. They took that out. So yeah, they could be coming for. They could be going for 704 VWAP, 704, 705. We'll see. Unless they hold it here at 20 again, but I doubt it. Yeah, I think they wanted at 704. Okay.
It's like, man, we
Actually,
made
what?
it.
You know what?
We made it out the hood.
Oh, thanks, Top Step. Thanks, Top Step.
We made it out. We wanted to make it out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Freddy's coming for you.
2, 5, 6, 4, 5. Okay. All right. So are they gonna? You know what? I'm gonna try here, man. I'm gonna try. If I have to scale in, I'm scaling in, but I ain't gonna miss this again.
How many times they normally dump supply? Like, how many chances do you get?
What do you mean?
Just how many times? Like, we tapped in. If I'm going to the higher time frame, I'm looking at it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be 6. 6 times? Gave you love. Let me see. 800. 825.
Dang, I should have went heavier on this position. Went heavier on it. Yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if they try to touch 88 somewhere in that area. 88. Oh crap! This is too late. Okay, I'm getting out. I'm getting out of this. I saw you, baby. I saw what you try to do. That's a pullback right here. You're gonna probably reject it at this level right here.
I think I want to see it hit 820.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for my 96 entry. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for my 96 entry because I think they're gonna reject it right here.
A lot of heat. Yeah, a lot of heat up there. A lot of heat. 40s. they moved point of control up, then took it right back down to like right here. Oh my gosh, they killed Kenny. You bastards.
I mean, if you in this long, hey, just be mindful, dude. Just be mindful in this area right here. Just be mindful. Be mindful.
Mm-hmm. 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 A love like that won't last, didn't I tell you?
Looks like I should have stayed in this position. Looks like I should have stayed in it.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, so this is the range. Okay. All right, we're ranging. All right. Yeah, would I pick that? Probably not. Okay, so NQ ain't doing that. So let's see what my baby CL doing.
CL. Nah,
Right.
don't pay attention to CL. There goes my baby. She ripped. Nah, she been stair stepping up. Looks like.
Yeah, nah. She look like she's primed for a dump. It looks like she's about to dump. You know, actually, I'm gonna put a limit here at 72.43. I'm just gonna put one. I'm gonna buy one. I think that's where the Bulls is gonna find support at. 72.40. 72.44. That's where I'm gonna put a long at. Yeah, that's a great place for a long. Yeah, that's a great place. Yeah, that's a great place. Yeah, that's a good place for a long. All right. You still not long? Are you long or are you short?
I'm long, baby.
Like I said, man, be mindful. Be mindful. It's looking like a damn like a small two-legged pull right now. That's what it's looking like a head and shoulders pattern.
Yeah, I don't like that right there. I don't like that. I don't like that. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, it is looking like a head and shoulders.
With this price action, you already know what the heck they're trying to do. Yeah, we'll see. They're gonna they're taking it down, bro. They're gonna probably want to touch that 700, 695 level. That's probably where they want to take it. Hopefully for your sake and your position, you know. Then you got the sell signal on the 15-minute and on the 5. So be mindful of that. Yeah, I'm getting in at 695, baby. That's my entry, baby. That's my entry long.
695.
Yeah, 695 is where I'm getting in long.
Oh, like that
I mean, if it gets close, like if it gets to like 97, 98-ish, I'll eat the drawdown if it gets down to 95. But somewhere in that area, that's where I'm getting them. Like, this and more.
They got a negative delta on there too. Positive delta by percent.
Yeah, so they test this area about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and but stops underneath that low. So if this is going higher, it has to go lower to go higher. VWAP in the 200 EMA is at 717. They may come in right there. They may come in, but
Hey, who's buying 500 calls though, baby? Who's buying the 500 calls? Who's buying? SPX. SPX is at 49.70.
actually, let me look at this for real. Maybe help the chat out. Help the chat out.
Q's 429.
Yeah, I think a good place to buy calls if price gets to 494, which it looks like it's trying to do, honestly, because we got that breakout above that level at 94. So I personally would wait for a retest of 94 and see how the reaction at that level is. If you see bulls trap, me personally, I would buy them calls for 500.
Buy them
Because we
calls,
definitely
baby.
get the 500, dude. We getting the 500. You said what?
I said buy them calls, baby.
But obviously not at this price. Too high to buy now.
Too high to buy. Is it in relation? If we get up to, if we cross over 800 and all these levels, is it too high to buy? Because remember we were saying
it ain't too high to buy to work out.
we was saying that when what was it, a couple weeks ago? Couple weeks ago, we were like, yeah, nah, that's too high to buy. That's too. Then it proceeds to shoot up 150 plus freaking million points. Oh no, that's too high to buy, baby. That's too high to buy.
Is too high to buy, baby.
Is it really?
If it's too high to buy, I mean, it should have been works out. It ain't too high to buy if it work out. Like, yeah, I bought it at the top, baby, and it still worked out. But I'll wait for that retest. 94 cents. 494. Yeah, and 30, 50, around 30, 40, 50 cents. That's what I'll wait for. That's what I would wait for. I mean, I guess it could kind of retest that low of 9,493. I guess it could 75, but okay. So it looks like I ain't gonna get my entry. It looks like I ain't gonna get my entry at all. They holding this damn thing. Yeah, they're gonna break this high. They are gonna break this high.
Cold-blooded. Charlie Murphy. What did the five fingers say to the face? I gave you all my love and gave you more than I could bear. Gave you love. Didn't I tell you what I believe? A love like this won't last.
Copyright strike.
They better not copyright strike me. I sound nothing like her angelic smooth voice.
I thought it was her singing. I thought it was her singing.
Shut up. Charlie Murphy. Unity. Cold-blooded.
All right, NQ.
All right, baby.
Wait for the fake out.
All right, baby.
Wait for the fake out.
All right, baby. All-time highs, baby. 800, baby. Y'all, I'm gonna put a hedge of protection under. I'm gonna put a hedge of protection up under this. Should I put a hedge of protection, or I should just let it ride? After all that, I should just let it ride, huh? I should let it ride, baby.
Shoot. If I'll take it.
I know.
You got some.
I know.
You know what, man? I could have had a great entry at 722, but I allowed her to fake me out.
722. Shoot,
I really wanted my entry.
Muhammad was long for 725, baby. You had the indicator. You had the market maker himself.
Well, I didn't hear the confirmation. I didn't hear it.
Oh.
In my mind, I wanted that 695 entry. That's what I was focusing on, because I was like, dude, why not take it there?
Yeah.
Before going higher, and that was my mindset at the time. And well, she faked me out with that little drop, that pullback. That's what she was trying to do, but she wasn't.
Yeah. I don't know if Sherman, I don't know if you were paying attention to the stream, but I was down like 8K. Whoa! Launchpad, baby! Launchpad, baby! Launchpad, baby! Launchpad! Ah, why did I close half? Ah! Why did I do that? No, why did I close half? I should have.
Yo, we just passed all-time highs, baby. We just, yo. If y'all bought last night recap, what the hell did I say?
Oh,
we was touching all-time highs. We talked about this in the recap yesterday. We talked about this. Now let's see if I get my 818, 824 target. Let's see. But there's no man land up here, man.
No, why did I do? Target failed. No, why did I do that? Why did I do that?
Look at that, dude. Look at that. Damn. I could have been a point. Damn.
Yo,
Damn.
launch
We
pad.
get our target, baby. Let's see.
Y'all are right. I did the right thing. But dang, man, that could have been so much more. That would have hit my first target. And then, what did I have my second target at? 820? 818 somewhere?
818 might be that level. 818.
I sat through
But
freaking 8. Okay. But dang, it would have been so much better to get in down here with Muhammad, with the indicator himself.
I wish I was a little bit more louder with that confirmation. I would have stayed in the position.
I admit I effed up. I effed up. I effed up on that. But I wasn't, for some reason, I was calm. For some reason, I felt like this was going to happen. Don't call me crazy. I shouldn't have full ported it, but I felt like that was going to happen. That's why I was so calm. Any other time I'd have been sweating. I'd have been, yeah. But I felt like that was going to happen.
Man.
But dang, I should have got in down here.
About this in last night recap. That's what I'm proud of. That's what I'm proud of. I'm talking about play by play. This shit played out, man.
Yeah.
By play, exactly what we talked about in last night's recap. Exactly. And price action to the left, so shoot, anything can happen.
Yeah.
Man, I should have stayed in that position. Be a little bit more louder with the confirmation, Mohammed.
Yeah, you gotta step in there. Step in. Oh gosh. I didn't think. I thought we were gonna get to like 805, 806. But dang, I didn't think they would push it up. I don't know. It's like that. I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. But I kind of did. I had a strong feeling they were going to push this. I thought it was going to be right here. Clearly, I was wrong. They tapped into supply again, dumped it, didn't get to VWAP, came close. W patterned up and just launched. And now I'm just like, yo.
Dude, is it too hard to buy? The real question is too hard to FOMO into this?
I'm not about
is it too hard to FOMO?
I'm not about to make myself look like a fool again. I bought the top. I already bought the top. And held through like 8K a drawdown. 8K. I bought the top. I took half here because I was like, yeah. As soon as I took half, that shit just launched.
I'm FOMOing into
this. Targets hit. I mean, you right. I mean,
now we gotta wait for that 770 retest, man.
Damn.
This is a real dump.
Man, okay. I gotta place a trade in my take profit evals because today is day 5. I neglected those totally today. I should have took a micro. Trade down there near VWAP.
Should we short this?
Man, I know you like
this is a good short.
I know you like to counter trend trade. I will not short this just yet. Maybe a break of 800. I'd short down there, but I don't know. And even that, I don't know. Yeah. The Bulls came in with authority. Random stops. Run me them stops. Y'all think y'all got this? Look, 200. Look, let me read the stops up here. We got 10, 65, 21, That's a 3-digit number right there. I think 271 or 3. I can't even see it. No, 270. I can't see it.
It's 277. 277.
277.
464 and 415.
415, 204. Yeah, like, run me them stops, baby. That liquidity, I need that.
Yeah, I guess I had to get back in that 760, man, because they retesting this high.
You know the
If
song.
they break it right here, they definitely retesting it. Unless this is the high. And this is the high. Whereas, like, yeah, we broke all-time highs. That's it. We ain't never seen this number until next year type shit, or 2 years from now. We'll see.
You know this.
You know what they did during when Biden became president? They did the same exact thing. And then they just dumped it.
Y'all know the song.
I don't think the economy can survive another.
I was gonna say, y'all know the song by J. Cole, I Let Nas Down? I feel like I let Muhammad down. I didn't hold strong. I didn't hold strong enough. I let Muhammad down. 820. I mean, my final target, man. And that's what I'll be doing to myself.
Let's see, baby.
I had a target at 818 and a target at 806. Both of them got hit.
Oh shoot! Hey! We gotta say this again. I call this 824 level my daily recap. Y'all need to watch that.
Oh shoot!
Man, they
did you?
824 exactly and dump. That was crazy.
Nice.
824 and dump.
I was gonna say, is that a? Muhammad, no.
Well, I don't know, man. This looks hella bullish, man. Is it too high to FOMO into it? Risk managers. Is it too high to FOMO into this?
Dang. Man. Sheesh. All right, Bulls. Now we getting did spot. Oh, we got a 5,000 ES. We got a 5K ES, baby. Spy, where you at? Come on, Spy. Come on, Spy. What you doing, Spy?
Dang, Spy's at 97.
Oh man. Man. Hey, risk manager Alfred says it's too high. Janelle says it's too high. Too high right now. Let's wait for a retest.
Oh, it's too high to FOMO into this?
I don't know. Look at the 5-minute chart. That mess look like it'll get a small pullback and then rip. Oh wait, my bad. I'm looking at ES. My bad. I'm on the ES chart over there. My bad. on Trading View, ES. Looking at that 5,000. They don't know what to do with themselves up here. They don't know what to do.
That's what I'm saying. Like, dude, there's no price action to the left. It's like, who's going to give in first? The Bulls or the Bears? It's like, are the Bears going to come in or are the Bulls going to keep pushing? Like, both sides should be scared right now because in literally uncharted territory right now.
That's what we was saying about, remember 17,100 though? We was saying that down there when we cracked 17. We was like, man, I don't know, man.
You don't know.
It's key. But it just kept slowly climbing. That end of year price action was so trash. It was terrible. I couldn't stand it. And it messed with me so bad. I can't believe I let it. Oh!
See, it wasn't too high to FOMO. Risk managers. It wasn't too high to FOMO. I should have FOMO'd into this.
That's like
Damn.
that's like
Damn.
that's like 20K right there. That's like at least 15K. Should have got in down here. Why do I do this? I'm mad.
Yeah, why the hell are we moving like this when we got 3 feds? They must know they must have intercepted the speech or something. Yo, we got 3 Fed speakers.
Did they start speaking? Did one of them start speaking?
No, you got like 30 more minutes until the next one speaks.
Oh shoot. Man, I'm mad at myself now. I'm mad at my freaking self. I should have FOMO'd into this. I don't want to. I already had my FOMO play. And it worked out by the grace of
the market gods and NASDAQ.
It worked out, but that was, I literally bought the top and then it dumped. I should have waited for that. I should have waited for that down here, but
man, should I take a quick short scout? Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4,
I need to hit,
5,
baby.
6,
I need to get in a trade, baby.
6. You still ain't took a trade today yet?
I mean, I got out of that winning trade.
I
got out of that winning one, literally at the bottom, crying about FOMOing in at the top.
Man. Are we gonna have, is this a 2020 type rally? No stimulus? No stimmy? 2020 type rally? No stimmy.
Mm-hmm. I might keep that. Dude, if you take this short, man, it has to be quick. You probably have to get at 818 if they even allow price to even get down there. All right, so we got a breakout. We're trending right now.
Don't you fade me like that, Alfred. Shoot. I'm kind of mad at myself now. But I listened to the risk managers. I mean, y'all would have got out as soon as I hit the red though. But I had a feeling, something told me that a move like this was gonna happen. I didn't think it was gonna get this high. Don't get me wrong. I didn't think I felt conviction that it was gonna at least crack 800, maybe touch 805, 806 before showing some mean profit taking. But that was just nasty work. 850, Alfred. I'm punching the air right now. Because I could still be in that full port.
That's 120 points up. How many? You was in it with 15 contracts?
10. I only got
right now.
I'm only allowed 10 in these 50Ks.
Dude, if you held it, well, where did you get in at?
The previous top at 765. As soon as I got it, my average was 765. As soon as I got in, MS dumped.
Dude, you would have been a 17K right now if you held. The question is, would you would have held that?
I held through the drawdown. I should have held through the pump.
You probably would have got out at that. You probably would have got out at 24, dude. I think you would have got out at 24.
I had my targets at 818 and 806 though. So I probably would have took that and been happy, but this would have pissed me off. Look at this. Run.
And it's still going. Dude, it's still going. It is still going, dude. I should have fumbled into this.
How they still getting stops? Who's selling up? How are you still getting stopped down up here?
Nah, I'm about to buy this top, man. I'm about to fumble into this, baby.
Nah, no way. No, literally, I could have caught almost 100 points.
Yeah, can we get to 900?
Oh my
Yo, we are
god.
literally 50 points above all time highs. 50 to 60 points.
Oh my gosh. Muhammad, I let you down. I'm sorry. I'll be the only thing I can say is I'll be better. Oh my god.
How about the top? I'm in the practical
Oh
count. How
no.
about the top? About it.
No.
How about it?
No. 100 points. 100 points. I could have got
How do you
100.
think I feel?
100 points on 10 cons. Yo. Yo. Yo.
Let's see how. Let's look at this, man. My target. Like, no way. No way,
Yo.
dude.
Yo.
No way. No way.
Yo.
No way.
My goodness. Do not.
Yo, if this class back, I'm in the practice account. So this is not my eval or anything.
Okay. Yeah. You did say that.
I bought the damn top, and now it wants to reverse. Now it wants to.
It's okay. It's the practice account. It'll work out.
Yeah, it's working out on the opposite side.
It always works out in the practice account.
I just couldn't stand this anymore.
We got some crude news that just popped
Oh
off.
yeah, that's the only thing that's gonna. Damn.
My goodness, people. My goodness.
Well, it looks like I gotta probably wait till the afternoon session to get a damn entry in. Man, this is probably this actually might be the dump. Because you gotta think about this. Every time it does this, when there is literally no price action, what usually comes up after that? You get a big move in one direction, no price action, and then it goes in the opposite direction. Three times as big as that leg. So
I mean, they gotta take their profit. You know, people.
Yeah.
Big money gotta take their profit. Meta's up $14. Where's Nvidia? Nvidia's up almost 10. Man, I'm about to get this quick trade in.
Yeah, we'll see though. We'll see. If there's, I just have a hard time believing that this is a real move because I've seen it so often that it's like, okay, yeah, it's nice to be a part of this, but this is gonna come crashing down. It's gonna come crashing down because there's no price action.
You think crashing? I don't know. I think bulls may be a little overzealous today. It might come crashing down like pre-market or tomorrow. But I feel like looking at this, you telling me, as highly regarded as these bulls are, you telling me they're not going to buy this right back up?
They're gonna probably buy it right back up at like 70 and probably retest the high or something. But I just have a hard time believing that this will continue higher. I just have a hard time believing that.
And
because we just, like I said, there's no price action. There's no price action above this level.
Yeah, that's true. That is a true statement. But man,
I mean, well, there's no price action above 793. There's no price action to the left.
Mm-hmm. Now we about to form that in these next couple days. We got to find out. We got to see what the next supply level is. Gosh, man. All right. 3 times the charm on this. One. Actually, if we count individual candles, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we finally broke out. Oh, gosh.
Yeah. Dude. I feel like remember the last time this happened and we said the same exact thing when I was like, dude, this quintuple bottom at this same area. And the same thing happened the last time. And then we said that if we see this again, we're going to go long. I guess you did it, but I didn't trust it. I wanted my entry.
I went long at the worst possible place though. But like I said, I had super confidence that wait. See, oh yeah, I'm looking at CL chart. I had super confidence that it was gonna push 800. So that's why that's why I was so calm, even though sitting through 8K a drawdown. I got in at the wrong freaking spot though. Imagine catching that. Where I'm on the wrong chart. Where was I at? That 720 area.
I take this short on CL. I'm gonna take this short on CL. I just need a fix right now, baby. Nasdaq Anonymous, baby. I just need a fix.
I need my fix. Need my hit.
I need a trade. I'm still in the practice account, so I'm not tilting in a real account. It's the practice account that I'm tilting in right now.
Yeah. I just took a micros trade in my take profit account because today is day 5. I gotta trade today in order to pass it. I hit the target yesterday, but yeah, I need let's see, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we should be straight today. Should be getting that email.
All right, so I flipped out of that short and went long on CL.
Mm-hmm.
I'm targeting for CL. I'm targeting my first target is going to be at 47. I do have a runner target at 81 for CL because I think they're going to break these highs and they're going to continue higher, in my opinion.
Wait. You said you caught a long CL? Say that again.
You said what?
You said you caught.
So I went short initially at 732 until I saw that big giant engulfing candle. You said what?
What was your CL play?
So 732, I initially went short until I saw the bears get trapped. I closed that short immediately and went long.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go and test for 74.47. I'm going to have a runner target at 74.80. Probably going to front run that probably a couple of points because I don't get too many chances on it.
Yeah.
So I'll probably front run that like 78, 77. I'll front run that at 77.
Yeah.
Shoot, you miss a boat if you won't. You miss that boat if you won't. CL will leave you stranded. You miss it if you won't. And she don't come back until 10 hours later. Hopefully you still alive.
Remember I was down.
Come back until the next day.
I was down.
Yeah, I remember that.
20K and CL, dude. 20K. And then it popped all the way back up to my break even. And I thought I was having that euphoria like it was going to continue up. It was like, nope. CL does not, because I'm thinking it's NQ moves, baby. I was like, oh, shoot, she about to rip. She did rip back to my break even, and it was like allowing me to get out unscathed, and I still end up taking a 12K hit. 12K L.
Yeah, it'd be like that.
That was.
Yeah, I had to talk him through that one.
Yeah, that was. I should have got out at break even. I learned my lesson because CL does not play around.
She don't. She does not. She's a perfectionist. She doesn't wait. You live in her world, apparently.
Yeah.
Because, she will not come back for you.
Yeah,
she will leave you.
You stranded.
Yeah, and he wanted to close it immediately. I was like, dude, wait. He's gonna give you another opportunity. It's just that you're gonna have to wait for it.
Yeah.
You're just gonna have to wait for it. And when she gave him the opportunity, he thought it was NQ. That's the same mistake I made when I first started trading CL, thinking she was NQ. She's not. She's CL, baby. She's a lady. She's a classy lady.
She's a lady.
Strong, and she's independent.
Hey, how do I change the? So I got this clock widget. I'm not even freaking looking at the charts right now. I'm trying to figure out this clock widget for my guy. I ain't forget about you. Yeah, CL is unforgettable. Well, she was like, all right, here's your break even. Here's your break even. I was like, nah, we could still go. This is not NQ. She's like, what do you think? Who do you think I am? NQ? No. Then she just kept dumping. I was long CL, and then she just kept dumping. I took that 12K hit. Like, so demoralizing when I could have got out at break even. Actually, I could have made like $200 or $300 profit, but you know I wasn't satisfied with that.
Yeah, you ain't never satisfied with that, dude. After sitting through all that, you need a little bit more. You need a little bit more. It's like, no, I need a little bit more than that.
Yeah.
So that's not good enough?
Right.
I mean, technically, you made what? You say it's now 20K? 20K, technically.
Down 20K and came back up 20K plus a couple $100.
300, yeah. You technically made 20K. Just like, oh. And at first I was like, how the hell did you lose 20K in CL? Like, dude, that should never happen.
I was full port. Full port, baby.
Dude, even if you're full port.
Nah.
Full port. Like, dude, like, you should never have more than a 27 point stop, dude. That is like, dude, 27 is like, dude, you're wrong.
I don't know.
You are wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. That's true. That is true.
If you have more than a 27 cent stop on CL, dude, you're hoping. You are wrong. Huh? Yeah, you're wrong. No more than 27 cents. 18. I mean, because, dude, why are you like, it's like CL? There is no reason to trade in the middle. You'll basically become market liquidity if you trade CL in the middle.
Yeah.
You trade CL at her edges. And
yeah.
If you stick to her edges with an 18 to 27 point stop, you are good.
Mm-hmm.
She follows technical analysis to the T. She will break out. She'll come back and retest. I mean, if you look at CL now, you'll see it. A range. She broke out of that range. She tested the top of that range. You saw the bulls bring it back up higher. She dumped that supply, and now the bulls are finding demand right at what, 73, 75 right now. The bulls are trying to come back. You take a long right here, an 18 point stop. That's a good trade. The retest 74.22 possibly. That's a good trade. Actually, I would have my stop underneath 64 just in case. Underneath that candle at 64.
Yeah.
But that's a good risk reward trade right there. Never need no more than 18 to 27 cents on CL. So when you said I'm down 20K, I was like, dude, how? Did you catch like a 10-point move on the wrong side? How did you do that?
He said, dude, how? Man, don't ask me how. I do not know. Do not know. Oh, shoot, that didn't work. How do I do this again? I'm sitting here trying to figure out this clock widget. Download the HTML file in OBS at a browser source. Select the local file. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so I think this is it, guys. The way that the price action slowed down, the momentum slowed down. Look at that CL trade working out, baby. Look at it working out. See, dude, CL is a technical analysis dream instrument. You can never go wrong with her. I will buy 50Ks with CL and be good. I will never buy 50K with NQ. Never. But anyway, we got a Fed speaker coming up in 18 minutes. So you see the market selling off right now. You're already seeing a sell-off in SPY a bit. The NQ is pulling back. So we have Fed speakers from a block of 10 o'clock until 1 p.m. Central Time. So I mean, we may not see no price action in between that time frame. Be mindful of that.
Fed Collins speaks. Man, it's only 9:40. I feel like I've been in the market for a whole year right now, sitting through all that. To miss this extra 60, 70 points. That price, dude, the market just died. It just slowed down. Like, yo, okay, we're done. Well, I may have spoke too soon. Never mind. Man. Man. I might be done, guys. Unless we get like a super dump, I might be done. I had enough excitement for one day to only come out with 4K after that.
Well, I mean, at least you get some money. I didn't make no money today, dude.
20,
Dude, I had a 722 entry, and it got scared because I really wanted that 695 entry, but we didn't get it.
yeah.
So
Yeah, I don't know why you
we
got
ain't get
scared
it.
at 722. I mean, let me go back to the price action and see what was going on down there.
So when I got in at 722 or whatever, you see
Mhm.
that pullback? I thought it was gonna be a two-legged pullback, because at the time
Oh, yeah,
it
you
just
did.
made sense.
Yeah, you did say that. I did hear you say that in the moment. And then when you said that, I looked at it too, and I was like, "Damn, he might be right." I was like, "I hope."
Yeah,
I'm like, "Damn." Let me see. Let me see. Let's go back. That was probably
yeah, that
around
was around
here.
the time around like 9 o'clock ish, 9:02. So I
Yeah.
was in it and I saw it coming back, and I was like, you know what? Damn, this looks like a two-legged pullback.
Okay.
And
But in the moment, yes.
yeah, and I was like, fuck, let me just get out of it and
But
just get
if
into the entry that I wanted because I felt like I was, yeah,
but if you look back to the left further, we had formed support down here at about 8:40. This is like, yeah, 10 minutes after open. We had found or formed support
yeah,
right. Let's call it like right there, the support line. Actually, yeah, right here at 7:20, 23, 24. They form like a solid support. Man,
yeah. I see that. I see that. I see that. Um, I see that.
yeah,
But because I was so focused on that entry,
yeah,
I missed it. I
yeah.
missed it, and that would have been a great play. 722 entry. My target was at 788, so that would have been what 22, a 66-point play. That's what I was shooting for. And once I
Yeah.
saw my target get hit, I was like, man, fuck, man, I can't believe I let her play me like that.
Yeah, you should have held it for like maybe
Man,
when
dude, if I saw that momentum, I would have moved it up to. I would have moved it up to 816, dude. I would have moved it up. I would have moved it up. I was like, dude, with all that momentum, this can definitely keep going. I probably would have got
yeah.
out at that pullback though. That pullback at what happened at 914? I would have got out there probably because it was close to the 815 target I was talking about that I was looking at, and boy, did it smash through that.
Yeah.
It smashed through that. Now I wouldn't sit here and say that I wouldn't have held through all this. I probably would have added to the position once I saw this bullish momentum. I would have felt more comfortable because I would have been up 66 points on one contract,
Yeah.
and I would have FOMOed into that I would have FOMOed into it like I wanted to. But this looking like a reversal pattern right here.
Man.
Yeah, it's looking like a double. I mean, it makes sense. We do have a Fed speaker coming up in 12 minutes.
Hmm.
Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this in a practice account because I'm not. I'm gonna take this in a practice account.
I
I'm going
mean,
short here.
I
I'm going short. I'm going short.
I guess you could say I'm disappointed, man. I'm disappointed in myself because all that drawdown I had and to sit there calmly through it, I just didn't expect all of this. I know I looked at Bookmap, I saw the orders up there, but I didn't believe it. I didn't believe the hype that high. Like I said, maybe like I said, 806, maybe 820. That's why I had
Yeah, it did. Yeah, 820.
yeah, I had
Yeah.
my highest take I had it at 818 just in case she would have been a jerk. But Oh, he said don't short this. SPX right now. Oh, it's at 49.90. Yeah.
I shorted at I mean, no, it's in the practice account, guys. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade today in
And then
one of my evals I bought last night.
okay.
Because I'm not trading until all this volatile news is done.
Yeah.
I won't even feel. So I took a short at 56. I mean, my stop is going to be above this.
Okay.
It's going to be at 880. 880 is where my because I mean I guess it could retest this high. I'll scale in at 70 if it gets there because it looks like it wants to.
I mean, as long as it's the practice account, just to test your theory.
My theory, yeah.
Yeah.
But you know how I take my practice account trades. It's like, dude, I like to pretend it's a real trade because I mean, yeah, you don't feel it, but at the same time,
yeah.
like, dude.
But yeah, you may be short in this bullish. Yeah, this bullish momentum, I think, is real. I don't know. What are these Fed speakers gonna do though? Are they gonna come in and be like, "We stand," reiterate, "Yeah, we stand with Powell," and then they dump it, or are they gonna be a little bit less? What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, because what did they say the other day? Like, we're not confident in a.
We're not 100% confident. It says, we, the committee, is not confident that there's going to be a rate cut in March's meeting, which is about, 7 weeks away?
Yeah.
They're not confident. And then, like I said, but then at the same time, it could have been a damn market trap, dude. Like, because, I mean, yeah, we got that initial dump with Powell, but after that, Messer came out and said the same thing. As an investor with your real money and not this prop firm money, of course you're going to try to sell it now. It's like, dude, now you're trying to sell off and you're selling it, which could have fueled this move higher because everybody is scared. Oh, they're not going to cut rates in March. So everybody started to sell, and unfortunately, their stops got used as market liquidity. So it don't matter the reason. The result is whoever shorted this
they got clapped
as market liquidity.
Yo, RIP if you shorted this. You got clapped. I got away with long in the previous top right here, like a fool. I don't know, because I thought, okay, like I said, like I mentioned before, this move, I was pretty confident that was going to happen to get it to at least 800. Right, that was my thesis, my theory, whatever. I thought it was going to happen here. We had the momentum. I thought it was going to happen here. That's why I hopped in so aggressively. As soon as I hopped in, it was like, nope, boom. Dropped it all the way back down to that 720 support area. Came back. This is where you were talking about, yeah, oh man, this looks like what'd you say? A two-legged pullback. And yeah, then they freaking launched. Muhammad's long 840. Nice work.
I can't believe I did that. That was foolish. That was so foolish.
Yeah.
That was so foolish. Oh, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about it. Yeah, good thing.
No, yeah, I know. I was just saying, yeah, to Alfred. I should have held to at least 850.
I can't believe I did that. Well, I guess you can't win them all. Man, I don't think I'm going to probably take a trade today because
yeah, I'm
unless they come back in the afternoon session with a good setup, then I'm not gonna be able to.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Myself, I'm done. Yeah, I am done. Yep, doubting the trend. Yeah.
We trade what we see, not what we think.
I think when it got to this point, I started looking at P&L, and I was just like, okay, let me at least secure some of this. Dang. Well, that's something to talk about, something to think about for the future. No pun intended. Where's
Yeah, I think this is it right here, guys. think
Come, come on, Spy. Like, you, Spy. We got SPX
this
at
is it, dude.
10 points away from.
This is it. I mean, this is it. We got like 10 million Fed speakers speaking in 6 minutes.
What does the Fed do?
Anybody about to be buying?
You know they're going to pump it.
They talk about the interest rate. The
Yeah.
interest rate affects the damn NASDAQ the most. They're going to say, well, I mean, who the hell knows? But ain't nobody trying to hold it during.
Yeah.
Nobody ain't going to try to hold that.
They might. Yeah, you might get your pull. Yeah, you're going to get your pull back at least. Where'd you short at?
So my first entry was like around like 56. Did scale at that high. I mean,
Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. Also,
scaling at that high.
Yeah. Yeah, when you up in options 248%, yeah, you gotta take that because options is crazy, man. Yeah, you gotta take that. you got. We see what it could have been, but yeah, you gotta take that off the table. At least take some off.
My target guy. I wanted to move it.
Nice short.
My
nice
short working out now, baby. My short working out. Work out.
Mohammed.
You're my second target, baby.
I like that. That's a good one. He said, if I held it, I'd be on Amazon ordering a bigger bag right now. Oh, shoot.
Well, I'm fully out of that position. It just sucks that I took it in the practice account, but it was just the safest way to take that position.
Yeah, that was a nice little short. Caught what? What was your average at? Since you said 56 and you got in at the high.
So when I my first was like at 56, and then I scaled in at 70, so it was like at 65ish in the area, 65ish.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a nice little short. But you know,
dude, this is the reversal right here. This is a reversal. Dude, this is a reversal. What's going down, dude?
I don't know. Maybe. I mean, maybe.
This is it.
Maybe. I don't know. I wouldn't. I'm not getting.
This is it.
I'm not getting in the Bulls way. Like as a. You said it's hard to be a bear out here. Why are you trying to struggle for these 15, 20 points when you could have caught 1 million?
This is it.
This is it. This is it. This is the big short.
This is the sell-off right here.
This is the big. There's no momentum right now, and these Bears can't even. They about to get trapped. It's about to be RIP again.
Damn, can we get a pullback at least? Can we get a pullback?
Yeah, Andrew. Andrew says this is the buying opportunity. I'm inclined to agree. Yeah, seeking guidance from the Fed speakers. Yeah. Buy the dips. Let's see. I'm curious to see now. When's this Fed speaker coming in? 10:30? Dang.
Yeah. 10:30. I thought it was at 10 o'clock.
Sure. You got GDP. We got Atlanta Fed GDP at 10. Yeah, I don't see anybody. At 10. I see Atlanta Fed.
It's Wednesday, right? Yeah, it's Andrea Kugler.
Really?
If I pronounce her name right. It's like Kugler. Adrena Kugler.
Let me see. Man, I'm done, guys. I can't take no more of that. It was fun but rough at the same time. And I'm just talking about the missed all those unclaimed points that I just left on the table. 70 plus points, like.
Yeah, I'm shooting for 70 on this one. The Bulls will probably come in at 80. They'll probably come in at 80. Yeah, I doubt that they'll come all the way back to 55. Actually, you know what, man? Wherever VWAP is, that's where I'm gonna get long at. Get long at VWAP, baby.
Get long, yeah. You can't go wrong there. Get long at VWAP.
I mean, but this is done. This is over. This is shorting. This is the short. Tyler Likely the short.
All right,
Right here.
You on record? All right, this is the short. Let's see. VWAP sitting at 757 on my chart. Yeah, around 757 ish. Let's see, baby. Let's see, baby.
You better not make me look like a fool. You better not make me look like a fool. I said it's the short, goddammit.
It said, hey, Sherm said this is the short. Back to VWAP would be disgusting, though. Oh my gosh, that would be so demoralizing. That would be demoralizing if I was a bull. And it goes back to VWAP. Look how you'd be right back at that range where I went long. Basically.
Yeah, I remember when I went long there.
Boy, I remember when I went long there back in my day. I mean, short's working out right now, especially if you got in where he called it. So, hey.
Yep.
Hey.
Yep.
Don't.
Hey, baby. Hey, we listen to the charts, baby. We listen to the charts, not our hearts, baby. We listen to the charts, not our hearts.
I mean, yeah. I'm gonna say this. You right? Okay.
Where the confirmation at?
Okay.
Where the confirmation at? Where the confirmation at, baby?
Market maker Muhammad, where you at, baby?
Where the confirmation at, baby?
Don't fight the Sherm, baby. Don't fight the Sherm.
Hey, don't invert the Sherm, baby.
Yeah,
don't invert the Sherm,
that's
baby.
it. Don't invert the Sherm. Talk your talk. Talk your talk. Risk managers, where y'all at?
Don't invert the Sherm.
Hey, talk your talk. Hey, you know what? That's right though. That is correct. Okay, wait. Let me say before I say that. Let me say this. We just hit this bottom of this first range here. So we pumped up, kind of took a break, and then pumped up again. So we just tapped into that. Let's see if it finds some support here. Let's see. I'll mark that out. Boom. Right there. Let's see if we find some support.
I don't know why your mama did this. Your mama was trying to mess with your toes, huh?
He said, Muhammad, did you get in short? Did he get in short that up there?
No,
he covered his position at 870. I don't know. He might have re-entered short. I don't know. He be catching that. He do be catching it.
Muhammad didn't give out the confirmation or nothing. He ain't say nothing. We needed that.
He covered 870, 871. But I don't know if he entered a new position short up there. Probably though. Probably.
But that was man, that short was just looking dead at my face. It's like, dude, if you don't take this damn short, if you don't take you don't know how to be a bear. You gotta take this, goddammit.
You don't take it, I'm gonna show you.
It's like you missed that long.
Yeah.
Play by play. Oh, they're gonna trap him underneath this candle.
You did.
And they got scared of a little pullback.
You did.
Scared of a little pullback.
You did.
See, this is why I just eat the drawdown. This is like, dude. Thank you just be doing stuff, man. But I'll just eat the drawdown next time.
Hey, I ate the drawdown, baby. I ate all 8K of that drawdown. Gosh. I ate all 8K and remained calm, cold-blooded calm.
Stone face killer, baby.
Stone face.
So what is it going to try to do here? What is it going to try to do? I think it's going to reject around this 830 level or somewhere around it. Yeah, I think so. 830, 840-ish probably. Yeah, 840-ish, 835-ish. Yeah. Bottom of this range, baby. Yeah, the momentum's dead now. If you got that Fed speaker speaking, unless I don't know if this is a female or a male. Um, her name is Andrea, so I'm assuming it's a female. She don't say nothing crazy.
The EMAs. Okay, so for me, it would have to get above this EMA here in order for make me feel like okay. I mean, a close above, but we only got 30 seconds. I think this is going back.
Nah, this is done. That bullish momentum is done. That's done. Like I say, because I mean, I've seen this so many times, man. Usually, when it runs up without no price action, it's just a liquidity grab. 9 times out of 10, it's a liquidity grab. Now, I'm not saying that we're not going to get a retest of possibly the bottom of this range. Like if it finds support at 760, where I'm assuming bulls are going to come in at, then we're going to take it back up. I can see it hitting 830 on the run back up. I can see that.
Unless this is a crazy bull flag. You know, you get your pullbacks on your bull flag. You got your flag pole up. Bing. And this right here, I mean, let's see. It's got to crack this though. It's got to crack this this support right here at 808, 809, 808. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
So yeah, I'm just sitting this short. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get my first target is at the 200 EMA, and my second one is a possible retest of VWAP. So we'll see. We'll see.
I mean,
we will see.
Congrats on having the conviction of not FOMOing into a real account. That's respect right there, because you know I would have already hopped in something crazy.
Yeah.
But that's respect right there. That's respect. You didn't bite.
Yeah.
You didn't bite. There's gonna be other opportunities. We gonna have other opportunities. But man, I do understand. I feel bad leaving the freaking 60, 70 points I gave up. I feel bad. But I let Muhammad down. That's what really makes me like, dang, I let him down. I let Nas down.
I was looking at this pre-market, and man, it bounced exactly. I was like, dude, it's gonna probably bounce there, but I got this stupid pre-market rule where, I mean, I hate that rule when it don't work. I hate it when it don't work. I saw the setup, but usually when I see something in pre-market, I want to see what they do at cash open, because it seems like for some reason, any price action that usually happens in pre-market gets taken out during cash. And so I was like, well, okay, let me just wait on this. And I came back from the gym, saw the chart, saw that massive run up, and I was like,
I think you solid. I think you solid, Oso. I think you solid. I think this was the support here that it needs. I mean, let's see it play out, but I think
I think it gets rejected here.
Think it gets rejected here? Ooh.
I think it gets rejected here, dude.
Well, we can't let this 9 EMA cross back above the 21. Ooh. Took profit 90%. Nice. Let the runners run, baby. Let the runners run. Like I should have did. Oh, shoot. But all right. Let's talk about pre-market. The one day I decided to stay out of the market at London, I was like, okay, I'm not going to look at anything until we get to London. I was up at that time. Dude. London. Where you at, London? Where are you at? All right, let's look at this. Right down here. I looked at it too. I saw this dump up here. I looked at this. I was like, man, I should take this long. I should go long. I was contemplating. I was like, bro, I should get in there. But then I was in the bed looking at it. I was like, man, I should get in there. I had to get up, go into the office, turn the computer on. I'm like, I should go long here. I should long this area. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. And look at that. Look at that.
That's how it usually plays out, man. The ones you don't take. It's always the ones you don't take.
The ones you don't take.
And it'd be easy. It'd be smooth too. It's
yeah.
Like, well, damn.
Exactly.
Like, god damn. And Q? It's like, oh, he's not in it, right?
He's not in it? Oh, let's just pump it. Let's pump it 1,000,000 points. He's not in it. Oh, you in it? Okay, we're going to struggle with him. Play around. Pull back. 50 points. If he's not out by then, okay. Okay, he's not out by then. Okay, well, we'll give him break even. Up, psych. We're going to pull back again. Another 100 points. That's how it is with me when I hop in the trade. It's like, dang it, man. Because I don't trust the setup.
EQ does that to you.
I took one short today. I took one short today earlier, and that was, where was that? That was around the open. I should have took it up here at supply. We knew this. We talked about this. We seen it dump here multiple times, but I took it down here. Didn't hold.
Oh yeah, I see it right there. I see that. I see you.
A lot of mistakes.
I see you.
A lot of mistakes were made today. A lot of mistakes, but we still came out on top.
I will agree.
Still came out on top.
I will agree.
As crazy as that sounds, but a lot of mistakes. A lot of small mental errors that I got to clean up. Hey.
Yeah. I will see. I'm right there with you, bro. Right there with you. It's like, I just want to trust you, NQ. I just want to trust you.
That's where the trust issues come from, man. Trust issues.
I just want to trust you, NQ. But you just give me new reasons not to trust you.
All the time.
Yeah, boys. Every tactic in the book. It's like, oh, so now they know price action now, so let's just slow it down. Let's almost get to their target and pull back.
Oh, I hate when that happens. You be by like a couple points, a point, a tick. And reversing on a tick is just diabolical.
Yeah, it is.
A tick away from your target. Diabolical. This double bottom, or actually it's like a quadruple bottom. But this bottoming area was beautiful. It was beautiful.
Oh, my barn is full. Okay, so let's see.
We gotta mark this
Let's
too.
see.
This
was this a two-legged pullback? Was this a two-legged pullback? I don't think so. I do not think so. Let me look at this again. Let me look at this. I gotta wait until this. Yeah. There was support here at 810.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait on that. Well, I got a business meeting at 12:30ish. So, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen while I'm at this meeting. Actually, because I know who the NQ is, that's exactly what she's gonna do. Yeah, look at that draw. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think this was just a pullback, and this is the second leg down. The reason why I'm saying that is because the momentum looks like it's dying out. We had a break of structure right here, and the bears are coming back in at the underbelly of this range that was created in this area. So we'll see. We will see. And this is why I don't trade with the trend. You see all this? If you see the resistance, like what if I'm like if you're right, you have
What's
to
up?
fight all this just to be right.
What we talk? Oh, well,
Because I mean, obviously we're it's the turn now because we made a lower low and a lower high. So obviously the trend is changing. But before it officially changes, we're going to get the bulls, the late bulls coming in. They're going to try to buy it up. And you know how the NQ goes. It makes you think that you're wrong. You're trending in the right direction.
yeah, man. And now I bet you if I look at pre-market tonight, it'll be nothing. It'll just be dead. No opportunity.
Yeah, it will.
That's how it
It
always, man, that's how it always is. It'll probably be dead if I look at that. Man, 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 man.
Yeah, I think this is it right here. I think this is it. I think the Bears got control now. That's what, at least the price action
Look at
suggests
8.
that the Bears have control now.
Look at 8:30 and
At least for the moment.
8:35. 8:30, 8:35 on book map. Oh, they moved it. I think that's what I at least want to take profit. 8:30, 8:35.
Yeah, 835 is where the 200. I'm sorry, where the 21 EMA is at my chart. Actually, is it 835? Yeah, it's about like 840 on my chart. Yeah, this is the turn right here. I'm confident now, or I'm a little bit more confident that this is the turn. We got a lower low, and now we got a lower high. See how this? Yep, I'm confident now. Okay.
You got the same entry from earlier?
Yeah, I scaled in above this candle at the bottom of this range at 851.
So what's your break even at on this?
It just passed my break even at
Oh,
840. So
I thought you were. Oh, you closed that position, the one from
nope, I'm still in
860,
it.
or you add? Okay,
Yeah.
you added and it dropped it.
Okay, no, yeah, this is the second position.
Oh, okay, I got you. I was like, I thought you were in. You were short like up here, 865 area. But yeah, okay.
Yeah. When it pulled back, I got into a second position targeting the 890 or 790 and 760. Yeah, this is the second position.
200.
But it's in the practice account, so it don't really matter. Trading the practice account.
200 moving average on mine on my 1,000 tick is sitting at 797. 797.
I mean, let's see if they come back in. I mean, I doubt it because right now that looks like a strong low. That looks like a strong low, but we made a lower low. So at around 818 to 809, that 809 is looking like a strong low for right now, at least. But we'll see.
$809, 810, 809. Yeah, I hopped in this short with you. I hopped in at 830. So let's see. I feel like they could take it at least another 15 points. Minimum 15. Minimum 15. Let's see. Only a one lot, baby. Only a one lot. And then you know what? I'll give it 10 points. That's all I'm willing. Actually, nah. 10 points. Should I give it 10 points? I'll give it to this moving average here.
Honestly, I would just put it at the top of that high. I mean, if that high gets ran, then you're wrong. So I'll put like a couple of ticks above the high. So that high is what? 54. I'll put it at 56.
Yeah, we'll do that then. How many points is that? Let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Let me set this alarm for this business meeting. Well, I mean, we'll be done with the stream. I don't think I got everything done this morning. So,
Yeah, Alfred, I saw that pump. It was at like 7 o'clock. I text Sherm. I was like, "What the piss was that?" It was like 40 points. 40 points, bro. I saw that. I saw that pump, and I was in shock. In shock. Okay, baby. Okay, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take the $200. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that.
Don't inverse the Sherm, baby.
I'm gonna take that.
Don't inverse the Sherm.
I'm gonna take that. Okay. Oh, Muhammad, you got your confirmation. He got short at 8:45. There's your confirmation.
Hey, man, you gotta be quicker than that, man.
Gotta be quicker than that.
Gotta be quicker than that, man. But yeah, I got, like I said, I got my target at 790, and my last wire target at 760. We'll see what happens. We'll see what she do. Like I said, I just find it hard to believe that this move is sustainable. I just find it hard to believe.
Hey.
You know what? You know what? Actually, that would be foolish. I just thought about that.
What?
I should just put my targets right at previous all-time high. I should take both contracts off at 90, 95 or something like that. I just thought about that. People's gonna buy at all-time highs.
Well, yeah, that's true. But be aware of this support here around 810, 809. Because we had
809 is a strong low. Yeah.
Yeah, we had that back here too. About an hour ago. We had this little 15-point pullback, and then launched from there, and that was around the same area. Muhammad sold 80% at 818. Got your confirmation, bro.
I like to fight the trend, baby. I'm gonna fight it. I'm gonna hold it.
10 points.
I'm holding.
I caught 10 points. Dang, imagine a full port 10 points. Nah, how would?
But yeah, that 809 level is looking like a strong low. Actually, that is looking strong.
Yeah, I mean we got heat at 815 here and 800, so you got that 15-point window.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna ride out with it. I'm gonna rock with it.
He gonna lean with it, rock. What did they what happened? Japanese foreign exchange news pumped. What the heck did they say? What did they do? Cause that's crazy. Well, I sit here and figure out this clock widget. I got it up here on stream, but I want to see. Actually, where is that at?
You got a clock on stream right now? Yeah, oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
You see the top left corner?
Yeah, I see it.
But I want to change.
What are you trying to figure out?
I want to change it up because it has day, month.
That's like, dude.
Day, month, year format.
That's military. Dude, I was like, dude, we in July right now?
No. it's day, month, year, so it's kind of like throwing. We don't usually do that. It's kind of throwing me off.
Yeah,
Day,
but I see
month,
it's like
year.
yeah, yeah,
I wanna
yeah.
yeah. I want to. It's HTML.
But damn,
You know I'm a noob at all of this stuff. I'm a noob at streaming. I'm a noob at I don't know code. I don't know HTML, which is probably one of the easiest things to learn, but
yeah, this is yeah. You really can't say that to a programmer because apparently that's offensive.
oh
This
yeah.
HTML ain't real coding.
Is that what is that what they think?
Yeah, it's not real coding. I mean,
Oh,
technically, it's right. I mean, it's basically structure. It's the structure of the website. I mean,
mhm.
that's basically all it is. I mean, you're not really doing anything extravagant with it.
Yeah.
You're just making it beautiful with CSS, and all the functions comes from JavaScript.
CSS and JavaScript. Man, I need to learn that. I'll learn that. You can write your own ticket. But I'm like, people still use Java? They still use it, yo.
Yeah, it's Java. No, Java, dude, Java ain't going nowhere. Java, JavaScript. Um, it's what's that dead language? A lot of people say PHP is dead, but PHP is powering WordPress. I'm pretty sure it's powering still a lot of these websites. Um, what's really dead for real? Yeah, I don't think any programming language is really dead for real, honestly, because it's still being used unless it's COBOL, it's like that old stuff.
I just got a notification on Wall Street Bets talking about inverse Kathy Wood.
What she do?
I don't know. Oh, Warren Buffett versus Kathy Wood. Hold on, let me turn this up. Y'all could probably see. Focus, baby, focus.
I mean, this is the same person that said Roblox was going higher, so
Roblox.
because she saw a couple of kids playing it. So.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all I need to hear. I know where to not put my money. I know where to not put it at. Roblox. Because if freaking what's that game called? What's that damn game called that everybody was playing? What was that game called?
What, Fortnite?
It has so much mods in it. Fortnite. Dude, if Fortnite fell off, ain't no way Roblox about to freaking live on if freaking Fortnite fell off. Like, get the hell on out of here. Roblox. Just because you saw a couple of kids playing with it. Hell out of here. That's for DD right there. I saw my son play it. I saw his friends playing it. They were talking about it, so I bought the stock.
What should I? Oh, back to this coding though. Should I learn Python? Yeah.
It depends. Do you want Python is basically for stuff like what we're doing. Machine learning uses a lot of Python. Making trading bots, automation. Basically, Python is very good for automating things.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to automate stuff, it's really good for web scraping. So a lot of these bots, and a lot of bots are written in Python as well. So if you want to do some web scraping, it's good for that. Automating tasks is great at that. A lot of these trading bots are written in Python. I mean, you got some people writing in all these other languages when Python works perfectly fine. It has a whole library for this crap too. But Python is very slow though. It is slow. I wouldn't use it outside of automation because it's just slow. I wouldn't use it. If you want speed, you use C++. The C languages, Java, kind of in the middle. Yeah.
Muhammad asks if you code.
I'm in the field, dude. I got this sweet work at home gig. That's why I can be at work and talk to y'all guys at the same time.
Yeah. Some of us like me, I can't do that. I'll be going back to work soon here. But we'll get that figured out for the stream. We got y'all. We got it covered. We got it. Got it. Look at that. Yo, did you see this chart? Do y'all see this chat? Look at this perfectly, beautifully drawn double bottom here. 810. That is on point. On point. I caught, well, not even, I can't even say half the move because I got out a little early. I only took 10 points, but beautiful. Beautiful.
We'll see. Right now, it's looking like that 409 level is strong. Like I said, I mean, technically, this is a triple bottom at this level, so the bulls are trying. But technically, we are in a downtrend, but the bulls are trying at this level, so we'll see.
Save some money for us, oh so. Dang, oh so save some bread for us. Dang, this was on point though. Look at this double bottom. It's beautiful. Beautiful structure.
Triple bottom.
Well, yeah.
It's a triple bottom.
Yeah. But it's just beautiful.
It is. Price action is very beautiful, man. That's why I love it. That's why I love it.
Yeah, it's 10:30. We get a speaker yet? They speaking?
We got a speaker at 10. Yeah,
I didn't see it on. Let me check a different calendar. Then I didn't see it on that calendar.
Look on Econ Day, and it's on what's it called? Forex Streets, I believe. Forex Factory or Forex Streets. One of them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was Angler Kugler, and then we got Susan Collins speaking right now. About to come up and speak. She's speaking right now. And then at 11 o'clock, we got Thomas Barkin speaking. And at 1 o'clock, we got Michelle Bowman speaking.
Barkin be barking.
So that's why I was like, and then we got consumer credit at 2. Like, dude, if you ain't caught nothing today, early in the session, that's probably why everybody was like, yeah, let me just buy everything right now. Because apparently the whole day is going to be full of lots of news.
Oh.
And shit, outside of prop firms, the margins was going to be high. So they was like, yeah, fuck all that. We're just going to get it now where the margins are cheap versus trying to trade now where the margins are higher for all this block of moves.
Collins just said, need more data before supporting rate cut. Need more data. Collins supported FOMC decision to keep rates steady last week. Needs to see Wade. Yeah, I'm with you. Alfred. I see the quotes now. I see the quotes. I got you. Needs to see Wade's games.
Alfred was coming clutch with them quotes yesterday too.
Yeah, he was on point with it. I got it pulled up here on my other monitor. I see it though. I see it. Yep, economy needs to moderate to get to 2% inflation. Recent data shows economic resilience. Demand to take time to moderate.
Yep. See, I knew they was all gonna come back, Powell. Powell took them all in the back room, and I said, I wish one of y'all motherfuckers. I wish one of y'all would.
He brought out the belt. Hey, say something stupid. You getting this belt? Say something stupid. Go against me. You getting this belt?
I wish one of y'all would.
Colin says strong January jobs data shows why caution is warranted. Oh yo Alfred though, what was that Japanese? You said the foreign exchange. What was that about that caused that 42-point pump at last night pre-market? I looked at I was like, I text Sherm, I was like, what the F is this? What just happened? What did they do? Oh, they got I'm on their site. I didn't know they had an app. Let me get that real quick. Of course they have an app. There's an app for that. Let me get that real quick.
There's literally an app for everything.
There's an app for that.
Honestly, if you work behind the scenes of app development, you would wonder how the hell did they even get these apps out of damn the testing environment, dude. Because it's like, dude, it is. I'm not going to say too much, but just know that just if an app is released, just know that it was almost not released because of all the damn bugs. Just know that.
That's why they always.
That's why these big companies like Facebook, Google, you wonder why they got 1 million people in employment to manage one app. There's a reason for that.
Mm-hmm.
Because shoot, as soon as it's like the customer comes and say, "Oh, we want a clock on the left-hand side of the screen," and then that clock breaks all the rest of the damn code. You're like, God, like all I did was add a clock.
Yeah,
and it breaks everything.
That's true.
It breaks everything else.
That's true. I had remember. Let me say this real quick before you. I remember I had on stream. I had that different background, or that crazy background. Well, that background I had for that one stream broke the whole OBS. I was like, nah, that gotta go. That's gotta go. I had that background with the like squares or hexagons, whatever it was. It's supposed to be like HD. I was like, nah, that shit broke the stream. I'm like, that's gotta go. It kept crashing OBS. Like, yeah, you out of here. Y'all just gonna have to see my closet doors behind me.
Those are nice closet doors, man.
Did you take profit off that push? Yo, dude, it hit the 200. It hit the 200 moving average on 1,000 tick.
Yeah, I know it did. But
you want more.
But dude, I don't think they're gonna buy it up here. Ain't no price action to the left for them to buy it right here.
There's the app, baby.
I feel like I'm cheating myself.
I just downloaded it. Financial Juice.
They got a website too if you don't want to download the app. But
yeah.
Financial Juice is actually a great alternative, man. I used it when I was trading CO.
But yeah. Yeah, I didn't know they
don't challenge me.
I didn't know they had an app either. But of course I should have known, but
yeah, they got an app. And here's a great example. They use Python to scrape the web and automate putting this news on their website. I think a lot of these websites do. Well, I'm pretty sure a majority of them do that.
Where are you trying to get out, bro? Trying to get out at 800 on the dot?
So I got 890 as one of my first targets, but that's literally all-time high, and that's probably where the Bulls gonna come in at.
At least scale.
I do got to run a contract at 760, but they're gonna probably buy it up at 90 with all-time highs. With this return to support.
Yeah.
They're probably gonna buy it.
Dang, yo.
Oh,
Dang, they got audio news too? Oh, shoot. Clutch. Oh, I see it too. Yep. That way I could save some resources on this. Because Chrome takes up so much.
I never told you about Financial Juice. You probably wasn't really paying attention to it.
No, I knew about Financial. I knew about the site. I didn't know about the app though. But I didn't do that much digging into it. Because I stuck with
Hold on, who's Kugler? Who's Kugler? So hold on, who's this other person then?
Kugler.
Hold on, maybe. Oh, okay, all right, Kugler. Okay, Kugler. I said the name and. Yeah, okay, so I remain focused on Fed inflation goal until confident inflation is returning.
Layoffs in the U.S. are
Because at some point, cooling inflation and labor markets may make a rate cut appropriate.
Where you see that at, though? I'm looking.
It's highlighted in red on Financial Juice.
From from earlier or? Oh, okay, yeah, that's from earlier. Okay, yeah, I see it now. I see it.
You can set this up to be very, because I only had it to show me commodity news.
Yeah.
and it came in clutch with crude. I'm not gonna lie, but I stopped using it once
Yeah, it is clutch though. It
stopped
is
trading
clutch.
crude. Yeah, it is definitely clutch.
That's just, you know,
It's free. That's what's the biggest part about it. It's free. I
they
mean, yeah,
gotta.
you can have it set to the indices, bonds, commodities, crypto, equities, to all commodity news. It just puts it all in one place, and all you have to do is just pay attention to it. That's
Mm,
it.
yep. Okay. Okay. On point, baby.
But we appreciate Alfred for putting that out to us. Appreciate that.
On point. You on point, Fife?
You know, I should probably take profits right here. I should take profits right here, huh? Because they just double
Yeah.
bottom. It just double bottom.
And shoot. Go
Uh,
ahead, get out of it.
no. I'm around. No. Nah. I'm gonna be stubborn about this one. If we get a close above 827, so this is what I'll do. I'll move my stop to break even plus one, to where if it does come back, it comes back. But I want my damn target
Yeah.
because I don't think the Bulls is gonna. We're trending down right now. We are stair stepping down. The Bulls are trying. You can see, but the Bears are selling it off of the 21 EMA. We're above all time highs. We're getting close to it. We're about like 10, 15 points away from it. So
Oh, from the previous all-time high?
yeah, 793.
Yeah.
But there is demand in this area. So that's why I'm being mindful, like, okay, yeah. And this is why I didn't want to be a bear. This is why I don't want to be a bear. But SPY is dumping though. SPY is dumping. Let me see. I mean, they're still selling puts. I don't think this is a full-fledged reversal. I just think this is a pullback because they are still selling puts and buying calls. I don't know if that's the late bears or late bulls, but that's what they're doing in the flow right now.
I didn't know Kugler was a non-voting Fed member. Hey, Kugler, pipe down. If you ain't voting on nothing, hey, get out of here. Pipe down. Go sit down in the corner.
That's probably why she didn't show up in one of them calendars. Like, oh, we don't care what the hell we say.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm like, who's spoken? Like, I don't see this. I see it on Financial Juice, but I'm like, I don't. On investing, you're not even important to get on investing.com's economic calendar. Man, go pipe down. I was like, what are you looking at? I don't see this on here.
So hold on. So why the market reacted like as if she was?
I know, right? Where was that at? That was at 10? 10 o'clock?
Boy, girl, you ain't. What is it? In the top brass.
Gonna go sit out somewhere for Papa Powell come after you.
Oh yeah. Powell definitely says, "Oh, you want to stay a non-voting member? You going to be a voting member next year? Oh, you better say what I want you to say."
Yeah, that's probably exactly how it went down. Powell put on his brass knuckles. You want to be a voting member?
Before she got in the room, he's like, "Yeah, close that fucking door. Close it."
Remember he said that with the protester?
You want to be a voting member next year?
Oh shoot! yeah, close that door. Takes out his brass knuckles.
Yeah, that's funny.
You want to be a voting member, right? Okay. You better say say what I tell you to say. Oh, shoot.
Dude, they're putting a lot of emphasis on trying to steer away from a non-rate increase in March. I wonder if they're going to put a rate cut in March, or a rate cut. I wonder if they're going to do it because they're scaring the market with that.
Mm-hmm.
So I like I said, I like the fight trend.
Wage
I
growth
think
is.
they're just saying that to scare people so they can sell out their position and get in a lot of these real players to get in at good levels.
What you say? Wage growth is moderating and is filtering through to prices. Progress on inflation has been aided by both Fed policy, impact on demand, and the healing of the supply side. Is this a good spot to go short for a quick back retest down to the 810?
No.
You sure?
This is a horrible place to go short, dude. A horrible spot to go short.
You sure?
Yeah. Because this is actually probably going to reverse. Probably reversing.
Yeah, this was your. Well, let's see. Let's see 834, 835. Let's see what happens there.
Yeah, this ain't looking good, man. Collins. Well, there she go. We need more data before supporting rate cuts. So, yeah, everybody's singing the same tune. Everybody's on the same page, or on the same page. They're showing solidarity, and that's going to scare investors out of their positions. And then they're going to watch the market rip higher.
Oh, shoot. Hell yeah, it's about that time.
Yeah, this price action is kind of dead, man.
I mean, I'm done. I caught that extra 200.
You been with that initial run up. Yo, congratulations to anybody that caught pump. Congratulations who stayed true to their position.
Like I didn't, but I'm gonna give y'all a bag secured, baby. I'm gonna give y'all a bag secured for the real ones that caught all of that. It should have been me, not him. Yu-Gi-Oh!
It should have been me, not them.
Should have been me, not them. Bag secured though for all y'all real ones who caught this epic pump. Epic pump.
Trusted the structure and traded what you saw and not what you thought, like I did. Saw the structure,
Yep.
And created a thesis or created a scenario where my thesis worked out.
Yeah.
And I missed it. And then I'm gonna say, you know what, I'm not gonna do it again. And then probably later this session, I'm going to do it again. I'm probably doing it again right now because I could have got out at the 200 EMA, like I said I was going to, but I didn't.
Man, I only got a 4K bagger. That could have been, like you said, this could have been a 20K, 17, 20K day if I held true. But you know I wouldn't have held true to that. You know I would.
Yeah. I mean, it would kind of been, I mean, it would have worked out, but it would have been foolish.
Yeah, right. I know, right? To not secure some profit.
Yeah, or at least trail the position. I mean, if you're gonna gamble it, at least trail it. At least you can get something. Say you came up with something.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to the bank.
Today's only Wednesday. I got tomorrow to trade. Later, they got the second half of the session to trade.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get my target at 760 possibly. But pre-market is gonna just be a slow grind, and then it's gonna go in either direction. Dude, I think we go down. I just find it hard to believe that we continue going up without no real price action. I just find it hard to believe. That's so hard to believe. I think we can possibly test this shoulder around if the Bulls come back in the afternoon session. 864. 860 to 870. I'm thinking price gets to that area.
Yeah.
And then we get a dump. I just find it, like I said, I find it hard to believe.
Gotta believe. Went from old school Chevys to drop top Porsches. Couldn't walk a mile off in my Air Forces.
Yeah, we got 10 minutes until London close. So let's see what the people over in London, how they feel about this. Are they going to close their positions, take profits, or are they going to let it run? Wasn't the people in London talking about they was trying to ask the NASDAQ to change their hours so they can trade it more?
It was like, it was Sweden, I think. Sweden, or I got the screenshot. I took a screenshot of it because I thought it was hilarious. I think it was either Finland or Sweden, somewhere one of them countries. But they were like, they wanted to change. They wanted to ask the NASDAQ to change their hours because too many people were not getting enough like rest and sleep because they were addicted to it. We were talking about that. It wasn't so that they could trade it more. It was because they traded too much, and they were trying to ask the NASDAQ if they could. It's like a drug for real. Like, nah, we ain't changing nothing, baby. These are our hours. This is our bread and butter. You want your fix? You better stay up and get your fix.
Yep, with the rest of us.
Yeah, exactly. Shoot,
you can only be so lucky.
Yeah, you better change locations. You better move to a different part of the world if you want easier hours. Shoot, I gotta stay up. I gotta be up at 2:00 to catch London. I'm not complaining. Do I be tired? Yes.
I'm complaining because I should have got out of that position at the 200 EMA.
I should have got that too. But hey, it is what it is, baby. You know I caught this long in the micros on my take profit accounts. And you know I'm up $50, baby. not playing around.
What?
Yes,
I'm gonna look
sir.
at this and I'm gonna say, God damn it, I should have did that.
All right, we 100%. We're past these accounts. Take profit. I better see that email tonight after market close talking about congrats. Here's your pro account. No fee. So that's good. I don't gotta pay no activation fees. So that's straight.
I feel like I think dude, like that hidden price crap. I mean, the fee is already in the price.
Yeah.
Ain't no way they selling that they're selling that at that price, and on top of that having an activation fee. The fee's already in the price.
I mean,
they already made their money.
They had people
Just
pay
make
it
you
before.
Feel like that. Yeah, until Apex came.
Yeah, it's true.
Because at one point in time, all the prop firms was kind of at the same level. It was okay if you didn't go to Apex, you went to UProfit. If you didn't go to UProfit, you went to Top Step. If you didn't go to Top Step, you went to Apex. And then Apex over time started coming out with them discounts, leaving everybody else in the win.
Mm-hmm.
First it was that 70%, then it hit them with that 80%. They killed them with that 90%. They killed them with the 90% off. After that, it's like, yo, take profit. What? Top Step who? They killed Top Step's business so bad that Top Step literally had to restructure their whole system.
Yep.
They had to literally restructure their whole system.
They were getting killed.
Or they was going to go out of business. You said what?
They were getting killed. Top Step. They had to restructure. They had to rethink this. Hey, let's regroup.
They literally had to regroup. UProfit's dead. You really, they're dead. Honestly, I'm surprised they still get customers over there. I'm literally surprised because Top Step's 50K account is literally the same thing without the restrictions to the payout. You gotta make 5 winning days, and you can take out 50% of your winnings. It's the same scaling plan, the same drawdown. Everything's the same. I don't even understand why anybody would choose UProfit over Top Step. But that's not my. Anyway.
Yeah.
That's when Top Step became my number one prop firm that I trade. Apex is when I want to gamble.
Yeah. Apex. I'm surprised. I'm doing okay so far in these 50Ks. I'm doing all right. Surprisingly, this is a shocker to me. For
Why?
real. I don't know. I've never even thought about touching a 50K, but I was like, you know what? We got this. We got the 80% 1 day pass. The goal, obviously, the target is much easier than hitting 9K. Not saying I can't do the 9K, but 3K, shoot, you can make that in a day. We've seen it. We do that. We do that. So I'm like, let's see. Let me see what happens. It was kind of just on a whim type of thing. Like, let's just see. Let's just see.
Yeah, I passed that thing and then I blew it. Passed it and blew it. But I had no intentions of locking that in. Like, dude, congratulations. I would not give. I don't like Apex that much to give them my money like that. That 50K account on the Nasdaq, yeah, that's something else. On crude oil, that's perfect. On Nasdaq, nah.
Yeah.
You can blow that thing right, shoot, in one move. Like, well, damn. Just the pullback. First, you'll pull back, and then run to your target. That's what she does. Let me look at this, man. Let me look at
this. Yeah, that is true. Oh my gosh, that is so
what
true.
She does. So let's look at this two-legged pullback. I was sitting here looking at this two-legged pullback right here, just straight up ignoring it. Let me see. Let me measure this damn thing.
Look at the rip. Woo! Look at the rip from 805.
Oh, yeah, so they found support, at this damn low. Yeah, they found support at this low. All right, so in price, I don't think price pulls back here. That's too close. I'm thinking 863. I'm thinking that the Bears is going to hold it at 863, and then we're going to get that rundown. 863 is what I think they're going to sell it off at.
Wow. Oh, wow. These are my picks.
This is why I counter trend trade.
Let me check some stats here real quick. Check Apex. I need to see how long I've been trading these. It feels like forever. I feel like I've been trading these forever, but it's probably only been like maybe 5-6 days. Why do I feel like I've been in these accounts for years? Like, dang.
Okay. 3 more minutes.
Yeah, bro. Today is only day 7 for me. I've only been trading this for a week, a calendar week, and yeah, today is day 7. It'll update tonight. The charts and data will update. I'm gonna lock in this 4K day and call it. It could have been 5-figure day easy, but yeah, mental mistakes. A lot of mental mistakes I gotta clean up, and yeah, trade the charts, not what I think, not my heart. Trade the chart.
Not your heart. Trade the charts, not your heart, baby.
Yeah.
Yep. I should, like I said, I should have. Yeah.
But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good, baby. You're gonna get your opportunity.
You have to wait for it. Yep. What's crazy is that if you blow the account, you gotta wait for it. You still gotta wait for it. It just feels better just to get in and then just wait for it to work out versus not being in and waiting for it to work out, which is weird, but
yeah.
The only difference is you being in it in drawdown versus you not being in it. Because just because you jump in don't mean it's gonna work out. So let's see what they do here. So it looks like they're trying to hold it off, but no, I don't think so. I think they're gonna buy it up. I think they want to retest that 860 level. I really feel that's where they're trying to go with this.
860. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I'm about to call it a day. Go ahead and get off here. Blue Sky,
You did send me. I meant to look at that. You did send
they
me something from Blue Sky.
yeah, they do have a 50% sale going on. I think still going on right now. I sent it to Sherm. The only problem is 8 days in the eve. Like, 8 days. I know that's I'm complaining about that, but it's just like, man.
How much are the evals? I mean, because if they selling $500 evals and only giving out 50%, then they can keep the eval. Blue Sky. Okay, so let's look at this. Because I remember Smith telling me about it. I did glance at it. Plan. But yeah, it's weird. Yeah, they got like it's weird. It's like a trailing drawdown and then end of day drawdown or something like that.
Oh yeah. So that's good. It said once funded, no daily loss limit. Ooh. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay.
So 2,500 of static draw. I think you said that they only have like 100K. They went up to 100K.
Is it 2 weeks for a
Loss limit
payout?
removed.
I thought you could get your payout whenever with Blue Sky. I thought they was like now I gotta look at it and see.
Okay, so they're pulling that trade day where they're making it harder to pass, and then once you do pass, then they take away all the restrictions on the funded side. So it's a consistency rule, 30%, 8
Okay.
trading days. So you really got to make for a $6,000 goal in 8 days at 30%. And so you basically have to make the same thing every day. So you got to at least make $750 every day.
They got a 2 week. What's the payout though? I thought that you could take payouts whenever, but I could be getting that. I look at all these different prop firms, so I could be getting it confused with someone else. So don't thought I saw that though. I need to make a dang spreadsheet of all this stuff. Anybody good at Excel, make a spreadsheet for all these freaking prop firms. So we can get the breakdown in one file.
Or we can just make a video about it. A great video opportunity, huh?
I guess. All these freaking prop firms, man.
Yeah, look at the NQ being so predictable. We saw you, baby.
Oh,
Okay,
I
let me
got
just
you. I
trap a
got you.
little
I
gold.
got you. I got you.
Let me just trap it. So what?
No, I was just replying to Moxie. I see what you're saying now. Yeah, but here's the thing. With Apex. I want to get to that 4th month mark, and I know with my style, I gotta kind of calm down a little bit, or a lot of bit. I want to get to that 4th month and take my full balance out. Just be like, all right, bye bye. Thank you, Apex. Like Live Mike did. That's what I want to do. Well, that's the goal at least. But I mean, yeah. Yeah, okay. The daily payouts is big though. The daily payouts is big. And then that actually beats out, since you said they take out the daily loss limit, that beats out take profit, because take profit, you hit that max daily loss, you're done. You are done. So I have to check myself. Yeah, it is trash. It is trash. I'm not saying that it's not. It is. Apex is trash for that, but I don't know.
Oh, yeah, dude, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Why the hell did that even happen?
Yeah. Okay. Trade day minus the resources. Yeah, trade day is still 10 days. I don't think they're gonna come up off of that because those two guys, they want to see two guys that run it. Let's see if you can trade.
Nah, they just know that you want to gamble. Especially, I mean, I guess we're only looking at it from NQ's perspective. If you're an NQ trader, yeah, like nah, that's not gonna work. But if you're like an ES, CL, DAO, like a more stable instrument to trade, then that consistency rule is probably not even a big deal, honestly.
Yeah, I've been on record saying Apex payout policy is trash because it's deceiving. It's deceiving. You don't get your first payout until after a month. No matter when you pass, it doesn't matter because of that window period. You have to request your payout. So first they require 10 trading days in between. So when you get your PA, you're not going to have enough time to request your payout anyway. So if I make it, so let's see, I can request my payout on next week, Thursday, for these accounts. Next week, Thursday. Who knows if I'll survive until then? That's all. Like, what? Like, that's insane. And then I request it on the 15th, but I won't get it until the end of the month, or the first, the beginning, end of the month, wherever they decide to do their payouts. I won't get it till the end of the month. So that's trash. That's super trash and deceiving. But if you're in it for the long term, I can see why it's like, okay, whatever, that doesn't bother me. But I would rather be able to take the daily payouts. I do like that. I do like that. They came in clutch. Trust me, them daily payouts, or take a payout whenever, comes in clutch. Yeah. Yep. But yeah, man, I mean, that's all I got right now. I may open up a Blue Sky account again. I mean, I've tried them before, but I've just been like revenge trading in them. Because I'm just keep thinking about the 8 days, but then it's like, it's really not that big of a deal. I'm just making it a big deal. Because I got so used to Top Step, you can pass in 2 days, and then Take Profit took theirs down to 5 days, which is, it is what it is. I'm like, okay, it's a week of trading. Everything used to be like 10 days plus, either 10 days or up. But yeah. Yeah, daily payout is super clutch. Super clutch. I've ran up Take Profit for quite a bit. Apex for quite a bit. Oh, not Apex, Top Step for quite a bit. And even with Top Step, that 5-day thing, have they made any changes yet? We talked, I think Sherm might be in a meeting, but anybody in the chat, have they made any changes that Top Step was, Michael was talking about, MP was bragging about to shake the prop firm industry. We're about to shake it up and be number one. Now, if they make a change to their payout policy and be like, hey, you can take payouts whenever, then Top Step pass in 2 days and take. But I don't think they got the bread to back that. I don't think Top Step, they'd probably get bankrupt if they would come out with something like that.
You know what's crazy about Top Step? They don't their payouts is not even that much. Apparently they're only getting like 200, 300K in payouts.
Yeah, why? That's also like why. That is something to look at. It's almost like what's that other one? Gosh, what's the other one? U-Profit. U-Profit's like what, 2, maybe 300K in payouts.
Yeah, I was like, dude, it's like
That's kind
Oh shoot, you getting hit up for 200K and that breaks the bank. You should at least be making that in eval shells, dude. Something like, dude, like, what's going on?
yeah,
What's going
yeah,
on, dude?
yeah.
Yeah, well, we already know that Top Step ain't doing no fire drill because they only got 2K viewers right now. A tall tail sign is if they're doing like an event, is if they got like 5 to 10K of people watching. That's when you know they're about to do like a fire drill or something.
Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Fire drill, fire
Man, I
drill,
do got
fire
one
drill.
eval that I kind of do. I want to reset.
Yeah, I got
Oh
some.
yeah, yeah. Let me say this: for those that trade Top Step, I got my feelings really hurt earlier this week, and I had to buy an account in the revenge trade. Man, so I popped into Top Steps live because I saw a bunch of people winning. I was like, they're probably doing like a reset, and they was, and I came in at the right on time. I was like, you know what? I don't have a eval or a combine, but I just put my name in it just in case, so I can just have the reset code.
Yeah.
Man, tell me why I did all that. I got the email. I bought an eval because I think I was trying to gamble in it because I was, kind of angry or whatever. But
Yeah.
anyway, so I gambled in it, blew it. I was like, I got a reset code because that's why I did it. I had a reset code. Tell me why it didn't work. And I reached out to support and was like, yo, my reset code didn't work. What's going on? It was like, oh, at the time you didn't have an eval, so it doesn't work that way. And I was like, yo, what? How does that make sense? Why do I need to have an active eval if I sat there and put my name in that damn forward and followed y'all rules? I didn't say nothing about having a active combine at the time. It's like, yeah, we can't redo the code. Sorry, blah blah blah. And I was like, you know what, whatever. I'm not gonna be mad at the support people because they're just support.
Yeah.
But Top Step, do better. I filled out the goddamn form. My code should work regardless if I have an active eval or not.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's it. Yeah.
It's crazy.
So I have a reset code that is sitting in my email. It don't work. It don't work. So, but yeah, they said that they was gonna come out with something in February. It's February 2nd. So I don't know what they're gonna come out with to change the game.
Oh, it's the 7th. If they're talking about those micro things, the 1-to-1 with the micros
You
and
better get the
minis,
fuck on out of here.
that is not game. Yeah, that's not changing the game because other prop firms already have that. So I hope for their sake that that's not it, because that is not changing the game. It's not.
Yeah, dude. I think they'll probably lose some people off that. Like, dude, I think you brought in micros because I mean we all know what Top Step's doing when they're not having the micros. It's a way for people to fail. It's like the house has to win somehow. So I mean we can't hate the game. You can't hate the player, hate the game. But dude, get out of here with that. Get out of here with that. All right, so let's see if this short works.
Dude, that's all I was thinking. Did I miss the short opportunity, or is it going to continue? I think, yeah,
I think this is it. I think this is it. The Bulls are having a hard time right now buying it up.
there is risk that inflation progress stalls. Collins. That is stalls. Man, we've been in crazy inflation. They trying to downplay it, not to scare the market.
Mm-hmm.
Daily loss limit. I mean, they give you. I like Top Step that they give you that, the daily loss, and then it shuts you, closes you out. I like that because that saved me plenty of times from totally blow. They give you your second chance, so to speak. That saved me before. The scaling plan, yeah, it's kind of trash because you be wanting to go. You see an opportunity, you be wanting to go all in, and it's like, oh man, I could only do 3 contracts.
Mm-hmm.
2 contracts. But I don't know. We'll
We're in
see.
CL right now.
I got some top step evals that I need to reset too, but yeah.
Hold on, did CL hit my target? Did she hit my target? Yo, she missed my target.
What are you going for? 74. It hit.
No, I had a target sitting at or not a target. I had a limit sitting at 27, I believe. Good. Limit sitting at 27. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yep. But yeah, I got nothing
All
else,
right, yeah, this
y'all.
part's actually good. Yeah,
I'm about to go ahead and get off here. We secured the bag
Oh,
today. Oh yeah. What's up? You got an announcement?
oh yeah, we do got an announcement, guys. I asked for it. We finally got all the legal stuff out the way, and I was working on the Discord, finishing up all the stuff that I needed to finish up on it last night. And so tomorrow we will be releasing it tomorrow, the Discord. We will be releasing it tomorrow. We'll drop the link tomorrow. And yeah, where's JC? Is JC in the chat today?
I didn't see him in the chat. He might have been busy or
Yeah,
something.
the one day he did miss me. JC been in the chat with us since day one.
Day
He was
one.
our first. He was our first, man. Before he knew, before he could, like, why should we even listen to these guys? We don't know who these guys are. He's been in there with us since day one.
When the quality was trash too. The quality.
Oh, yeah, well, you're going through a lot of growing pains, but I think we got it.
Yeah, man, that was just when my quality was super trash. It was just straight up screen, no overlay, no nothing. Just y'all got. We didn't stepped up production. I done invested in this. For you guys. I got new mics. I got a camera. Got a better camera than my default webcam. The webcam was trash. It was trash.
Yeah, and someone actually left a nice comment on the last night's recap, saying I am getting better at the quality.
Yeah,
like I said, those daily recaps, I didn't understand how much goes into doing them, and now I understand why you stopped doing it, because it is a lot.
It's a lot.
It is definitely a lot.
Y'all don't understand.
It is a lot.
Y'all don't understand. And then I got, we got families. So
yeah. We got daughters that want to be loud, that want to mess with you when you start working, but don't want nothing to do with you when you got time for them. So, all right, baby, I'm done. I got this block to play with you, and now she wants to watch TV. Like, no, we turn this TV off, and we're about to play. God dang it, we're about to play. You want to mess with me when I'm trying to work?
About to read you this dang book you've been shoving in my face the whole time. You about to get this book.
You about to know why the princess married the frog today. You're gonna learn why.
Shoot, yeah, man.
When I'm trying to work, and then being loud on top of that, just randomly screeching at the top of your lungs for what?
Yo, hey, yo.
Our daughters are just our daughters are very similar. It's just interesting the parallels between the things our daughters do. It's so interesting.
Oh,
but
shit.
yeah, we got the Discord. What to expect with the Discord? So right now, what I have is I'm planning on just posting the SPY flow, the SPY charts. It has the gamma levels on it. Obviously, the levels we're looking at. Place for everybody just to talk after hours, after the stream is over.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll move from there. Like if, depending on how well the Discord goes, with the workload and everything else, we can add more stuff. We can probably put options in there too if we got some option traders that are interested. But because most of my call outs are based on SPY anyway. Like if I see SPY doing something, SPY will give me more confidence to take a trade. So, yeah, for right now, we'll build on top of that. Let's get it released, make sure there's no bugs, and then we'll move from there. We're excited. Tomorrow, we'll talk more about it. Yeah, yeah, that's all we got for right now. We just got to grow it now. We finally got the community we was talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Ski. So let's get it. Let's continue this. Let's continue this. Yeah, what's today's Wednesday? Yeah. Shoot, man. I might, man. I don't know. We'll see what my game plan will be for tomorrow. I'm feeling like going light tomorrow, but we'll see. I might change my mind. We'll see. But yeah. Appreciate everybody hopping in. For real. Appreciate that. Yeah, I got nothing else. I'm gonna take a break. I need a break from the screens. Go take a walk outside, and yeah, we'll do it again tomorrow. I might do it at pre-market. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know.
We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see.
And I'm 2 for 2 in my daily recaps, man. Y'all missed
yeah.
I'm 2
yes,
for
sir.
2.
Call outs on point, baby.
I mean, the call out's always been on point. Shit, there wasn't even no price action. I called what happened today on that video. Check it out. But yeah, I mean, the price action is everything. Man. I just had a feeling like when Smith talking about, man, that he was like, man, what the hell just happened? I was like, dude, I just got done doing the video, and I just got done talking about the breakout at that level, because it just didn't feel like the Bears had control anymore. I felt like the Bulls regained control, and the only place for Price to go was to retest all-time high. That's the only place where Price could have went. And so that breakout was not even a surprise to me when it happened. What was a surprise that we got to 860, 870. That was the damn surprise. I was like, dang, I thought they was going to at least drop it at 820, 824. They got to 880, dude.
Yeah.
Or 888 or 878 or something like that.
Yeah.
Where did they get it to? Oh, no, they got it to 875. 875. 875.
Yeah, man.
So we already know what to expect. We know what to expect off of this. We know that right now, this is the price action, right, that's going to determine what's going to happen in the future. Right now, I'm seeing price trading in a range. We're going to definitely get that two-legged pullback. I think we probably bounce off of 760. Like, that's going to probably be like a double bottom at 760 around that area. I mean, we might go a little bit lower than that, but I'm thinking 760. But we'll see. We'll see what the price action does. We'll see if how the Bulls react when we get back to that level. Because that's like what the double top high was at, like 770, right, before? It was at 770. So usually what they like to do is people like to buy at that level. They'll probably buy at 770. Price is going to probably stop them down. And then that's when at 760 in that area is probably when price actually makes the turn. Because NQ just loves doing that. That's what she does.
Yeah, the NQ is notorious.
Jeez. Yeah. But yeah, that's all I got. That's what I'm going to be looking for. If that's where price gets to this afternoon, that's probably where I'll take my first trade if it's not too late in the session. And we'll talk about the price action in today's recap video. And yeah, that's all I got, man.
Okay.
Appreciate y'all guys joining the stream.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all guys. Appreciate the support.
Seriously, for real. We appreciate it. We just two regular guys who love trading with a little bit of gambling on the side. But we love
gambling.
Love the art. Yeah, love the art trading. Love the analysis. At least I'm speaking for me. I love the analysis. And yeah. And seeing if you right. So we're gonna come back. Yeah, we're gonna do this again. Appreciate everybody. Make sure you go check out my boy Sherm. His link is in the description. NASDAQ Anonymous. Check his channel. He gonna have a fire recap. The fire recaps that he been doing. I'm telling you, it's not light work. doing that every day. I had to take a break. I had to stop. I'm gonna get back on my weeklies though. But I had to take a break from the daily. It is demanding. So yeah, we appreciate everybody. Thank you for joining again, and we'll come back and do it again tomorrow.
Peace, everybody. Stay green out there.
Yes, stay green as always. Peace.